Larkshill Engineering is a precision engineering company. We carry out manufacture of precision components, fixtures, tooling, gauges and other precision items for the aerospace, oil and gas, nuclear and defence industries. The impact of the energy crisis has been significant to our business. We've found that the cost of energy has doubled over a short period of time. We discovered about the Net Zero Programme via Birmingham City Council and then Aston University. The programme started with an energy efficiency audit by Aston University. The next steps were to look at the recommendations given to us and then pick accordingly what we thought would be most suitable. We determined that solar panels were the best option for us. The solar panel installation was completed in July 2024 and we have seen nearly 50% reduction in energy costs. Given the fact that we are now saving in terms of our energy consumption, we are able to bring new machines on stream and we can invest that into other means. Before we started the Decarbonisation Net Zero Programme, we didn't really have an understanding of the requirements or how we would go about kickstarting our journey. But we've been given tangible knowledge, advice and implementation of initiatives to kickstart that journey. And we think it's the start of very positive progress going forward.